Hey there, Playmobil pals. We got a package all the way from Hong Kong, China. Super excited to get this open. So excited, in fact, that I'm willing to skip the intro. Let's get to it. Alright, everyone, thanks for checking out today's episode. If you're new here, I'd assume you like Playmobil, which is great because we do too. I hope our content is good enough for you to stick around. We've made over 100 videos and I appreciate you for watching them. But enough of the formalities, let's check out the package here in front of us. Guys, like I said, we got this recently from Hong Kong, China, and it is a Playmobil exclusive that was only available in Asia, came out just a couple years ago, and as you can see, it came from someone by the name of Fat Home, and I just hope they're happy. But we're gonna keep this short today. We're gonna go straight into the opening and check out what we've got here. But I do need my scissors because opening up one of these heavy-duty packages is not very easy. And I'm just checking to make sure there's nothing in there, no papers or anything, because you know they have to go through customs when they're traveling overseas, and with it all coming from China, and China and the U.S. are not exactly pals, although we do business with them constantly. You never know. But guys, what do you think this is, aside from a big bundle of bubble wrap? We're gonna check this out here. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it for you. I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are excited with this one too. Man, this is actually wrapped very well. If you guys can see it, what do you think it is? Come on. It's almost like a joke wrapping here. Like, haha, we got you. Hope everybody's doing okay. I am just a little bit sick, but I think I'm going to get over it okay. Especially now that I have this in my possession. Come on. So close. Let's go. Oh, gosh. They did not want anybody getting through this. Alright, guys. Here we go. Any second. Come on. Oh, my gosh. Plastic. Guys, this is it. We have the Starbucks Klicky. This is Joy from the Starbucks Klicky line. Only available in Asia, primarily South Korea. And I am super stoked. Look at this. This is so cool. She even comes with a little mug with the Starbucks logo on it. And as you can see, the Starbucks logo is on her apron. It is not on the picture. These are the only accessories that come with the figure, and these have been going for as much as $50 to $100 a piece, and there are various ones you can choose from, but this is really my favorite, the one I wanted, because it looked the most quote-unquote normal, just a regular barista. And they do have a male one, but they have two male ones. One is got a tan-ish apron, and the other one, who wears a black hat, wears a very dark blue apron as well. Oh, there's the Starbucks logo on her shirt too. That's pretty cool. So I like how we have the Starbucks brand all over this figure. There's no mistaking it. So that is really exciting. And she's got her own little name tag there, and that's just too cool. Can't wait to get this one on Instagram. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this video, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection. It's definitely going on a shelf, which we'll be doing a showcase of our shelf in the coming weeks. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much all. If you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't for further Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Our channel is playmo.af, and that is all I gotta say about that, guys. Thanks a lot again for watching. We will see you next time. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.